Workshop reminder: understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common but sometimes confusing English phrase, workshop reminder. We'll break down what it means, how it's used, and the context in which you might encounter it. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really help in everyday English communication. Workshop reminder is a phrase composed of two words, workshop and reminder. Let's look at each word separately. A workshop is a meeting or a session where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. It's often interactive and practical, rather than just theoretical. On the other hand, a reminder is something that causes someone to remember something or someone. It could be a message, a note, an email, or even a phone call. So, when combined, a workshop reminder is a notification or message sent to remind participants about an upcoming workshop. It usually contains details like the time, date, location, and sometimes what to bring or prepare. Workshop reminders are typically used in professional, educational, or community settings. You might receive a workshop reminder in various forms. Emails, a common way to send reminders, containing all the necessary details. Text messages or app notifications, for more immediate reminders, especially close to the event date. Printed notes, sometimes given at the end of a related event or meeting. The key purpose of a workshop reminder is to ensure participants are well informed and prepared for the workshop. It's a courteous way to help people manage their schedules and commitments. Let's see some examples of how workshop reminder can be used. 1. Email subject line, workshop reminder. Digital marketing strategies, June 25, 10 a.m. 2. In conversation, did you get the workshop reminder? It's next Thursday, not Friday. 3. In a calendar notification, workshop reminder. Team building activities, conference room B. Understanding these contexts helps grasp how the phrase is practically applied in everyday communication. And that wraps up our discussion on workshop reminder. Remember, it's a simple yet essential phrase, especially in professional and educational settings. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to tune in for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.